Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we are going to show you how to win the lottery. This series consists of 2 episodes, so don't miss the other one. So let's get it started. 5. Avoid consecutive numbers. Yes, each number is chosen at random from the pool. However, data from earlier draws reveals an intriguing pattern. Getting consecutive numbers in the same draw is quite uncommon. In fact, Richard Lustig, a lottery player who won 7 times in 2 years, used this as one of his methods. Additionally, he advises against using identical group or digit ending numbers. In other words, make an effort to draw from a variety of numbers in the pool. Don't pick just one cluster, and don't choose based on a trend. 6. Go beyond 31 and pick rare numbers. When playing the lottery, it's fairly usual for players to use their birthdays. Players use their friends and family members' numbers as well because they are typically seen as lucky numbers. Therefore, the majority of choices are between 1 and 31. In 2016, a woman who chose the birthdays of her family members and the number 7 as her lucky combination won the Mega Millions jackpot. She and another recipient split the $636 million award. However, hers was a very uncommon success story, and this pattern gives you a chance to win more. 7. Purchase numerous lottery tickets within your budget. Your chances of winning the lottery increase with each ticket that has a unique set of numbers. Of course, every purchase adds to your overall costs, so you should only spend what you can comfortably afford. To get the most enjoyment out of the overall experience, try to stick to a defined spending limit and play sensibly. We advise adding a couple additional lottery tickets to your online shopping cart. Consider purchasing 2 or 3 if you were only planning to buy one. Consider fitting 15 into your balance if you already wish to purchase 10. You have a better chance of winning something, possibly even the lotto jackpot, the more tickets you have. 8. Create a syndicate. A group of people who pool their resources to buy lottery tickets is known as a syndicate. Both offline and online, it is one of the lottery tactics that is most used. If one of the tickets contains the lottery-winning numbers, the prize is split among all players according to their contributions to the pool. With relatives and friends, you can create your own syndicate, or you can just join one online. Every player has a better chance of winning anything, which is an advantage. The lesser size of the individual awards is a drawback. However, it goes without saying that if the syndicate wins the $300 million jackpot, all of the players will likely be pleased with their shares. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.